In this video, we'll quickly show you how to wash your white tanks for your fish farming. Whether you're going to stock fish into them directly, or you're going to use it for flotation, or whatever activity that you're going to use it for. These tanks, they usually pour chemicals from that, and that chemicals is very harmful and powerful and can kill your fish within minutes. So proper washing is very important before using it for your fish farming activities. Otherwise, it will contaminate the water. And it's not simple if you don't know how to do it, but it's very simple if you do know how to wash it. And that's what we are going to break down for you in this video. That is very simple. So keep watching. So there are three ingredients basically that are needed. You need potassium nitrate. That's simple, what we call saltpeter. Saltpeter, it has stone ones and it has powder one. The powder one, this is it. It's whitish and it looks like salt and it has salt taste, but it's different. It's used for many purposes, including this. So we are going to make this one with powder soap, and then make it in the foam forms to use it to wash the container. So this is what we will do. I'm going to pour these two inside. Now I'll pour in this. This can help remove the chemicals faster. There are so many ways of curing it, but this is the simplest way. When you wash it with this, you will not even hear or smell the chemical again. Now this is my powder soap. Any powder soap can do, Omo or whatever, but this is what we have. So we have sponge or whatever it is. So now I'll put some of the Omo here, and then put water. The quantity of the water is enough, so then add one of the okay. So let's get inside and wash that way. So now this is how we wash it thoroughly. After it is dry, they can allow it for some time, then you prepare salt solution. That's what we all know, or we normally know, to disinfect the pond or the tank by wrapping it all over inside. So that one, note that it is for disinfection, just to kill any potential virus or fungi that are around the pond. But to wash off that chemical, that high chemical and the smell, then that's why we need to add the saltpeter. So we are going to wash it. Just watch where. So when you finish this way, wash it, then you use clean water to rinse it out. So that's how it is. They are going to use it to wash. So you have wash it with combination of Omo and saltpeter. Now you can rinse it. Rinse it with clean water. Now we are going to rinse it with clean water. So you put in. So you use a tin and okay. So we are rinsing it with clean water now. Yes, we are rinsing it with clean. Now just fetch clean water and you are good to go. This is the outlet. It is coming out of the outlet. Yes, as you can see. So that is it. That's how I'm going to do for all the tray tanks. So now that you observe this, how this one is done, and that's it. So just rinse it with clean water out, and then we allow it for a while. Then when it dries, later, especially when you're ready to use it, then you can now put salt in water, making salt solution, and salt bath it. That is, then wrap it around, either with a foam or a rag or the same sponge. But a foam or rag is always better because it can soak the salt solution and come out very well. So as wash every part of it so that the chemical will not affect the fish. So when you're done, you can come out and then we'll turn it to the one side. Then it will go out of the. No, don't worry. Let's lift it this way so that the rest of the water will be out. Then we'll rinse the inside. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. So now, oh, oh, I'm holding it. So bring the water and rinse. Oh, it will go down. Hold this way. Bring the water and come on. Rinse it the inside. The bottom. You can even when we are done, you will even see that it is cleaner than it was before. No, the earlier wash it, but it wasn't as clean as after this wash. So let me turn it this way. Let's turn it this way to your side. Then the water there will come. Then turn your side to here. Yes. We are just doing this so that all the water will drain out. They are at the edges. So whichever way that you are going to do, if you are going to, so if you have something like mop stick or rack, you can clean the remaining small water. So you have to go inside that. So just clean the remaining water. So that's it, guys. You need to properly wash it like this, and then when you are ready to stock the fish or use it, use salt solution again to wrap everything before putting in your water. If you have done this, your fish are safe. The water will not get contaminated and kill them. But if you don't wash it well, you can have another method of washing. But just bear in mind that just omo or just soup alone might not wash it properly. Yes, some can use plantain leaves to cure it, but that way it's going to take longer period because you need to leave it, get water fill of it, put the plantain leaves or neem leaves there, allow it to ferment until there are maggots inside. But we can barely take 2 weeks or so to get that result. But this one, within a day, you are done and you are good to go. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please do so. and let's learn together.